Good morning, miss. Good morning, my dear friends. My name is Sonakshi Singh. I am a student of class 4C and my roll number is 34. First of all, I welcome you all in my today's presentation. The topic for my today's presentation is good qualities. You can see a beautiful poster which I have made on good qualities by using chart paper, marker and colors. This poster shows some of the good qualities like truthfulness, kindness, forgiveness, obedience and love. Today we will understand about each of the good qualities. First is truthfulness. Now we will understand what is truthfulness. Truthfulness is a revealing of facts before we are put under pressure to do so. Truthfulness is something that is given, not something that is stolen. Being truthful is a character quality that is rare. Most people are only truthful when they have to be, not when they need to be. We should never lie and always speak the truth. Second is kindness. Now we will understand what is kindness. Kindness is being friendly. Kindness is being considerate of someone's feelings. Kindness is being generous. Kindness is helping others. Kindness is being concerned when someone is upset or afraid. Kindness is doing nice things for other people. Kindness is trying not to hurt or upset other people. We should always be kind to everyone. Third is forgiveness. Now we will understand what is forgiveness. Forgiveness means to overlook the mistakes others make and continue to love and respect them. It means that if someone did something wrong to you or hurt you, you do not hold grudges against him or her, but let go of the memory of it. Forgiveness is sweetest revenge. Fourth is obedience. Now we will understand what is obedience. Obedience is an act or quality of being obedient. Obedience is willingness to do what someone tells you to do or to follow a law, rule or command. We should always obey our parents, teachers and our elders. Fifth is love. Now we will understand what is love. Love is a special feeling that comes from the heart. It is caring for someone, treating them with kindness and respect and accepting them as they are. We should love everyone. That's all for today's presentation. Thank you.